Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and in this very quick video we want to talk about how you can connect your OKX mini app wallet to the Duckchain mainnet for the Xing airdrop. Alright, so we want to quickly do that, and then how you can also transfer your stars to OKX. So we're going to do that. Every star that you deposited during the testnet, you can actually transfer them now to your wallet. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go ahead and get it. Meanwhile, to get started with Duckchain, you can still get a link in the description of this video and join now. Remember to give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so this is the Duckchain app, and so while you're here now, to connect your wallet, this is the mainnet now. So the testnet is over. So in the mainnet, to connect the wallet, you just tap on connect wallet, and you have three options. You have the Tomo wallet, you have the Particle wallet, which is Duck wallet, and then you have the OKX wallet. And we want to use the OKX wallet. Why? Because there is a promo ongoing that when you connect with your OKX wallet, you have a chance to win some turn. Yes, in the turns giveaway, OKX Duckchain turn giveaway. So let's tap on OKX. Now, meanwhile, before you do this, make sure you activate VPN. All right, because only with VPN will you be able to connect to OKX. So I tap on the connect to OKX mini wallet. This one now is within Telegram, so it's seamless. So I tap on the connect to OKX mini wallet. So here now you request from Duckchain. So you just tap on connect. So it's connected now. So what we'll now do is to go to the star section. So here now, this is the Duckchain 140 Duckchain stars to claim. All right, so just tap there. So if you feel the amount is not up to what you deposited in the testnet, you can fill out this Google form. Otherwise, tap on confirm. I've claimed it successfully. So it will be deposited in my wallet very soon. Okay, so if you check here, you can see the record. And the record here, you can see mainnet, you see mainnet, these are deposits in mainnet arrived. Now 140 arrived. This one now is going to mainnet. So all that I did in the testnet are from here down. That should be what translated to that 140 stars. All right, so you go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and share. Also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and join Duckchain if you're yet to. Link in the description. Thank you and God bless you.